Well, so today is the part two of the YouTube automation video. So in today's video, we'll be talking about how to build up the content portrait. Okay, okay. So we'll be starting with understanding what YouTube automation really is and how does it works. So those are the things that we'll be looking out for today. So what does how does it work? Okay, what works now and what has been working before, and what should we predict that it will work as time goes on. Those are the things that I wanted to be looking at in this particular video. All right, so what works now, we'll be starting with that because we are in now. All right, so building a faceless channel where most or all of content creation is handled by a team or an AI tools. Okay, so now let me elaborate on that. I can decided to form a group when I was in my secondary level. I dream of becoming a YouTuber, so I was explaining the process to some of my friends. So if I wanted to build up a team, I should have started from back then, which I will form four or more people. All right. So these are the people who supposed to be in that list. All right. I need to have at least one or two at any position. All right. So the first one is the content idea, which I'm very good at. So I will be at that position myself. And moving on, I will choose someone who can edit the videos, all right? Because we are doing it by a team. So someone who can edit the video, followed by someone who can actually shoot the video. All right. I have to first of all look for an editor before looking for who exactly will shoot the video for me. That is because I want my editor to be there. She told me that shoot in this angle, shoot at this angle, so that the shooting can be very easy. Yes, that's my own opinion. People may look for cameraman before looking for editor, but in my point of perspective, I always go for the editor before the cameraman. So now that I have these two people, I need to look for someone who is good at SEOs. When I mean SEOs, I mean people who know how YouTube works, how to crack the algorithm and make the video rank at the top. For instance, if someone search understand what YouTube automation really means, I need someone that can rank my video at the top, and that would depend on the editing that I put up and also that. But also come to realization that editing too much doesn't make the video go viral. Is the importance of the video. Yes, the messages that the video carries. That's what push the video forward because people get to watch the video to the end and also share with their friend because they found value in the video. Okay. All right, so now that I have these three set of people, I think my work is done. And then the fourth person will actually be a marketing strategist who will actually share the video and do promotion and all of that for the video to go viral. All right. So when I have these three set of people, then I think my work is done. Okay. Now, when it comes to AI, I've mentioned two things: a team of people or an AI. So with the AI, these are a few AIs that I'll be using if I wanted to use AI. I will use 11 Labs for audio, and I'll use CapCut for my video editing. We have AI parts. So don't people said CapCut is for people who can edit themselves. Yes, that's true. But we also have the AI side of CapCut. We can actually edit really good videos for you. All right, and I'll use ChatGPT for my scripts. That means I'll be using AI, going for faceless YouTube channel. All right, so number two, we are going in for things who doesn't what doesn't works. Okay, So AI, what doesn't work is what? Low quality. Yes, low quality of the video. You have mass produce, mass. You are just posting without quality, no, actually wrong. Okay, reuse clip or AI generated voiceover with zero editing efforts. Yes, reuse clip or AI generated voiceovers with zero editing effort. Yes, I can just go. They were somewhere very, very, very horrible. Okay, YouTube is cracking down on reuse content and low value video. So your video might not go viral, it will not be promoted, and a lot of things. So do not use any of this. Okay, so the key insight of this is what the goal is to efficient content creation, not to set it and forget it. Be aware of what you wanted to do. So that is what totally it is when it comes to understanding what YouTube automation really means. Okay, so the next thing I want us to talk about is choose a niche strategy. Yes, how to choose a niche strategy. And trust me, I will be coming back to that in the next video. So make your own research on that particular topic. And if you've learned something in this video today, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notification for more I could do. And see you in my next video.